Hi, my name is James. I have been playing drums now for around about 12 years. I am currently playing full-time drums for the band The Final Clause of Tacitus in the UK and Reading. Been playing Collision sticks now for quite some time. Great sticks, really durable. Love the actual finish on these. I've gone for like a natural finish. I play with the 5A series. I do play with 7As when I'm practicing at home on my electric kit, but when I've got the acoustic and my electric all combined, these are my go-to. They're slightly longer than other sticks that I've used in the past. They feel really nice. They've got a nice weight to them as well. I tend to ride quite a lot. So I get really nice ping-back action from these, especially when I'm doing faster rides and the snares. Great for, transition between the cymbals as well. Get some really nice sounds with hitting really lightly with the tip. Great tip on these. Or I'm riding on the actual shaft of the stick as well. So really, really cool. Want to try the Reach series. I haven't tried those yet, but again, I have measured them up and you just get that little bit of extra sort of length. So again, great for transitioning. I do a lot of hi-hat to ride crossovers and again with the cymbals. So really, really cool for those. As I said, perfect sticks. If you haven't tried these before, I really, really do recommend that you get a pair for your stick bag. And I think, your minds will change from these. The community within Collision have been absolutely great whenever I've needed them. They've always been on the other end of the line or really quick to respond to my emails. And they've got a great family-orientated environment, which again is something that drew me massively in towards this brand. And I really look forward in working with them a lot more in the future. So without further ado, I'm going to do one of our songs called Transition Orientation. Hope you enjoy. And like I said, thanks to Collision. And hopefully you will join us too. See you in a bit.
I trusted has lifted up his heel against me, but I will not deal in my faithless war, nor in my unkindness. For it is not an enemy that reproaches me, then I can bear it. But it is you, a man my equal, my companion, my familiar friend. So tonight, when all said and done, we know now that this is the end.
It's your time now. We'll bring them down, and we'll line them up, and we'll burn the traitor down. You've learned a lesson today. Your trust it can't be broken and leave you in a cage. Her mind set on destruction, her mind's so full of rage. It's time to break the silence. Well, I have something to say. If we don't, we know we'll never listen. Work out in my whole existence. Take what you can, but don't take everything. If you can, then you're gonna never leave a reason. Oh yeah! We'll burn them down! stage. It's time to break the silence. I have something to say. If we don't, we never listen.